on a home visit. Work. I'm a little bit early, but guys, I'm at the bus stop. And look at the traffic passing by. That's good. Look at the traffic, guys. I decided to do a video for you guys while I'm waiting. It's crazy out here. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Pick up yourself. And it's raining, guys. It's raining as well. Wow. Wow. It is raining. This is Heathfield Farm. Watch the cars pass by. Woo! Woo! Wow, it's calm. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe as you watch this video, guys. I'm at the farm. This is Heathfield Farm, guys. Angel Lifestyle Farm. Taking you to Heathfield Farm. Guys, it's so nice to hear the sound of the vehicles passing, the trucks. Oh my God, it's amazing. It is amazing, guys. That's the tram, guys, over there. Wow, it is nice, honestly. Oh! Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, it is so nice. Just listen to it, guys. And there's a bus. There's a bus now. So yes, guys, this is how it feels. I'm a little bit early for my home visit. So I want you guys to keep entertained. Let's watch the traffic go by. And the sound. You can listen to the sound of the traffic. Going down is different from going up. And the speed. Oh my God, look at that car. Guys, you see how calm it is? Wow. Oh man, it's amazing. Yes guys, so this is live at Heathfield Farm, guys. But I just want you to listen The different sound when it's going up and when it's going down. The sound is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. But look at the greenery. Oh my gosh, look. Just look. And that's the tram, guys. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Ooh, wow. Oh, I love it. It is so nice. And look, guys, how green it is. Absolutely fantastic. That is so nice. It is absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. It's calm now, guys. It's calm. It's really good. Yeah. So I'm in this beautiful area. Oh my God. Oh my, absolutely gorgeous. It is so beautiful. This is my style of houses. And let me take the picture, show you guys. It is so beautiful. You see these brick houses? They are so gorgeous. This is where I work today, guys. I get to see some beautiful places. My job, guys, and I'm telling you, I love it. It's absolutely fantastic. Oh, so nice. So nice. So guys, this is where I work today, and I'm telling you, it is absolutely amazing. It's England, guys, and the houses over here are so nice. Yeah. Wow, can you imagine? Oh, it is so nice. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Guys, please like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. This view is amazing, guys. Amazing. Let me go to please. Oh wow, nearly missed the bus. It creeped down on us. Thank you.
1:30 to New Addington.